Hi, welcome to the demo video for Sentinel ePos. In this video, we will demonstrate you how to unbox the new ePos system and how to connect all the wires. So for the purpose of this video, we will first show you the double screen system. When you unbox it, you will get one kettle cable, which is the power cord, and one power supply unit. Also, you will get one double screen system. So this screen is facing customer and this screen is the touch screen for you to take order. So first step, you take out the power supply and connect it with the power cable provided. This power cable goes into the power socket, and then you can simply just connect this power cord to power supply. Also, you will get a cash drop. The cash drop comes with the keys. You need to connect the keys here, and then there's one wire coming out from the cash drop. It looks like a telephone cable. So depend on your counter. You can place the ePos system on top of cash draw, or you can install the cash draw underneath the counter using the brackets. With the double screen system, all the cables goes under the screen. So if you see closely here, these are all the sockets for the cable. The power cord, which is a round cable, you will find an arrow here, and this cable goes arrow facing downwards to this round socket. So this is how you connect the power cord. Now we will unbox the 80 mm thermal receipt printer, which you will be using to print the receipts. So when you unbox the printer, you will see a printer. Again, on the back of the printer, there are three sockets. One is for the power, one is for the cash draw, and this is for the USB cable. One till roll. Again, another kettle cable and a power supply similar to the ePos system. And finally, a USB cable. We will connect the power cable first. So I will connect this power cable with the power socket. Again, connect it with the power supply. Make sure the green light is on, and then connect it behind the printer. So this arrow goes to the bottom side, facing up. You just connect this cable for the printer. The cable that's coming out from the cash draw, it goes behind the printer as well. And then finally the USB cable. The small end, this one goes behind the printer. And the USB cable goes under the screen. Under the screen, if you see closely, there are 4 USB sockets. 2 are in black color and 2 is USB, the blue one. You can connect it with in any socket, but try to connect with the black one first. So now the printer is connected with the ePos system. To turn it on, there's a switch on the right hand side. You just press this switch and you will see the power light on. To install the roll, you unwrap the roll, and then on the side of the printer, push this button. It will open the cover, and just drop the roll inside. When you're installing the roll, make sure the paper come underneath the roll. If you install the paper like the paper coming from top of the roll, it won't print. So you need to make sure that when you put the roll inside, the paper should come underneath the roll and then come out, and then close the printer. Finally, if you are a fast food restaurant or takeaway restaurant, you need a caller ID device. Caller ID device works the same way. So this is for the USB cable. So same like the printer cable. it comes with the USB cable. You can connect this printer cable here and then connect the second end with the computers and on any socket. The main cable that's coming from the BT socket goes to the line, and then you can use this off-white cable to connect your telephone set. So you can connect one end here and the second end goes to your telephone set. Let me explain this again. So the USB cable goes here, one end to the caller ID device, one end under the computer. The main BT socket cable, I'm connecting the USB to the caller ID device. Connecting the second end with the computer in any USB. So now if you see, there are two USB wire coming out from the ePos system. One goes to the printer and one goes to the caller ID device. Once everything is connected, if you see closely, there's a one black button on the bottom to turn on the ePos system. You press that button, it will turn on the ePos system. Also, you need to connect the ePos system with the internet. So the internet cable that comes out from your internet router goes under the screen to the Ethernet port. Once everything is connected, turn on the ePos system by pressing the black button under the screen, which we showed you earlier in this video. It will take roughly around 10 seconds to 20 seconds, depend on your ePos system, to load everything. It will take around 8-10 seconds to restart. Once you turn it on, it will show you the Windows logo. All our ePos system come with Windows 10 Professional license copy. It's got SSD solid state hard drive, so it loads Windows very fast. During the initial startup process, it won't show anything on the back screen. Once the window is loaded, then the second screen will come up. So once everything is ready, you will see a blue icon that says TeamViewer. All you need to do is double tap on TeamViewer and it will show you your ID and password. You need to take a picture of this section and send me on my WhatsApp, and then I will install your software and train you on the software. Please watch our other videos that explains how to use the software and how to configure the software. The purpose of this video is only to show you how to connect the wires. If you brought single screen system from us, we will show you how to connect wires with the single screen system. So I will turn off this system and take out all the wires. Okay, so this is the single screen ePos system. The only difference in the single screen ePos system is there are no wire connections on the bottom of the screen. So you need to slide this plastic cover that shows the arrow. So you need to first press and then slide it on the right. It will open the cover and you will see all the cable connections similar to the double screen here. So the power goes here. Printer and caller ID device go to the USB socket, and then the Ethernet cable goes to the Ethernet port. So that's the only difference with the single screen system. Once you connect all the cable, you can just press and then slide back the back cover.